Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and cryptocurrency management. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Polkadot tokens from Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If you're looking to take control of your assets and move them to a more secure, self-custody option, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase account and a Coinbase wallet set up. You'll need your Polkadot tokens in your Coinbase Exchange account and the exact wallet address from your Coinbase Wallet app. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your email, phone, or whatever method you usually use. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Portfolio, section and find your Polkadot balance. Step 2. Select the Polkadot asset. Click on it, and you'll see options like Send or Withdraw. Go ahead and choose Send. This is what we'll use to transfer to your wallet. Step 3. In the Send form, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. Open your Coinbase Wallet app, go to the Polkadot section, and copy the wallet address. Paste it into the To field on Coinbase. Double-check this address. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Enter the amount of Polkadot you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review the details, and if everything looks good, hit Confirm. Step 5. You'll get a confirmation screen. Verify the transaction one last time, then approve it. Sit tight while the transfer processes. It usually takes a few minutes, but it depends on the Polkadot network. Once it's done, check your Coinbase wallet to ensure your Polkadot has arrived. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication and keep your seed phrases safe to protect your assets. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and we'll see you in the next video.